Hurricane Ophelia warnings as storm heads to UK. The Met Office has warned of potential danger to life as Hurricane Ophelia makes its way towards the British Isles. It has issued an amber warning in Northern Ireland, where all schools are to be closed on Monday. The Republic of Ireland's counterpart office, Eireann, issued a red wind warning across the country. The hurricane will have weakened into a storm when it hits the UK on Monday, 30 years after the Great Storm of 1987. Ophelia, on its way from the Azores in the Atlantic Ocean, is blowing winds of 90 miles per hour, 145 kilometers per hour. Northern Ireland's Department of Education said the decision on school closures was entirely precautionary. All schools and colleges in the Republic of Ireland, where violent and destructive gusts are forecast, will also be shut. The Department of Education and Skills said the decision had been made following discussions with members of the Government Task Force on Emergency Planning and in light of the advice from Met Eireann on this unprecedented storm. Ireland's Taoiseach Leo Varadkar said defence forces were being sent to red weather alert areas, including Wexford, Galway, Mayo, Clare, Cork, Kerry, Limerick and Waterford. It has been downgraded to a Category 1 hurricane by the U.S. National Hurricane Center and is forecast to continue gradually weakening. The Met Office said there was a good chance Northern Ireland could be hit on Monday afternoon by power cuts, flying debris, large waves in coastal areas and disruption to all travel services. It also issued a yellow warning of very windy weather, which it updated later on Sunday morning to take in much of northern England and Wales, along with parts of southern and central Scotland. 3 battalions of soldiers are on permanent standby to deal with major incidents in the UK, but the Ministry of Defence said no specific requests had yet been made of them by local authorities.